I'm Stephanie Williams and we're at Deuce Customs in Bayswater. I'm a second-year apprentice in metal fabrication and engineering, so a boilermaker, and yeah, build hot rods. So Mum grew up around cars and so did Dad. Bought Deuce Customs I think 5 years ago now.
My name's Marion Williams. We're here at Deuce Customs.
I'm Darryl Williams and we build hot rods.
I'm John Wood, probably better known to everybody as Duck, and I essentially run the place. I've been doing this since I was 15. Building cars.
Since I was a baby, I've been to like car shows and always been around cars. I was like, I just want to build a car one day. This came up, we bought that. I got a welding helmet for Christmas one year. Started welding and I was like, yeah, no, I really like this. After I finished school, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I'll do my apprenticeship and then that can sort of lead to everything.
Extremely proud that she's living out what she wants to do and doing what she loves. It's in the family, it's in the blood. And you know, being female, it's woo-hoo.
It's all fun. She sort of brings a bit of spark and fun to work with, getting the skills and hopefully take over the business in time so I can sit back on the beach.
She brings everything to the team. She's a good kid, thirst for knowledge. She's a sponge. She wants to learn more. She wants to get better. Just started her second year and she's way ahead of everybody else at trade school because she goes to trade school to learn and to get better.
I want to absorb all the, like as much information as I can. It was very daunting going there the first time because I'm like, oh my God, I'm probably going to be the only girl. But the guys in the class are like more than willing to help and like they think it's cool that I build hot rods, so they're like, oh, tell me more. So obviously like some people be like, why are you doing that? Just because you got the business, but I don't need to prove to you sort of thing. Got a real passion for it.
We all went to America. Steph was offered 4 jobs at 4 different establishments to go over there and work as a trainee welder fabricator from 2 of the biggest names in the world of hot rodding. So it speaks volumes about her and you know where she's at.
Hope she just does what she wants to do and doesn't let anybody or anything hold her back.
I'd encourage anyone to do an apprenticeship, like skills you'll never learn in an office, which sets you up for life. I don't think I'd be who I was today if it wasn't for cars. As an apprentice, you don't get the best wage. And yeah, by offering cheaper KINCROME toolboxes helps encourage people because most people nowadays, it's like too hard to become an apprentice, but if the incentive to buy tools is there and a bit cheaper, then people will be like, oh, it's actually not too bad. Well, it's a big investment in tools that, yeah, will literally set you up for life.